shadow in the hall light, flickering in waves like a dream I can't fight. You wore your silence like a velvet coat, and I still hear you in every note. I try to drown you out in chords and echo, but every reverb brings you back slow. You're the static on my late night radio, soft and low, but I can't let you go. Faded Polaroids and burnt out stars, still you're the rhythm in my beating heart. You're the hum in the silence, the chill in my skin. I let you in once, you're still within. Coffee stains on yesterday's shirt, memories like dust, yeah, they still hurt. You said love was a fleeting kind of flame, but it lingers like perfume, still the same. I kept your voice in my old cassette. Either tapes worn down, but I can't forget. You're the static on my late night radio, soft and slow, but I still feel glow. A ghost in my sheets, warm in the cold. You're a story half lived, a secret untold. You're the hum in the silence, the chill in my skin. I let you in once, you're still within. I play old songs to fill the space, but none of them erase your face. Every lo-fi crack and beat pulls me back to where we meet. You're the static on my late night radio, still spinning through my soul. And in mono, I don't change the station, I don't press pause. I let it hurt, cause I know what it was. You're the home